Ready? You may not always be aware of good sound in a film, but if it's not good, you'll notice. Good sound serves a film's dramatic points and underlines its narratives. For their precision in enriching a complex and imaginative story, the award for the best sound for short fiction goes to Yatin Dhabhi, Manoj Sikka and Abhishek Bhattathiri for Thamaash Puppet. Let us watch a clip from the film, please. I invite Yatin Dhabhi, Manoj Sikka and Abhishek Bhattathiri to come on stage to receive the award for the best sound in the short fiction film category of the national competition. And now, the Golden Conch for the best short fiction film in the national competition. And the jury citation reads, in a funny, scary and engrossing film, multi-layered insights weave an allegorical tale. From conception and through every element of production, this finely crafted gem succeeds in every way. The Golden Conch